What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Fix It Rick. In this video I'm going to explain to you what the black tank sewer flush means, the potable water, and what's the difference between that and the city water. First and foremost, your city water connection actually goes right back to the city water. This allows you to have constant water pressure just like you would be in your house. Potable water goes right to the holding tank that's inside of your RV. This allows you to have like up to 40 gallons of water in case you wanted to, go boondocking somewhere, and you can have fresh water. The black tank sewer flush is when your black water tank, where all your poop and all your pee goes, some material has settled to the bottom and it didn't flush all the way through. This is so you can quickly fill your black water tank with water, and then it will fill it up and then hopefully just wash it on down. So right here you have access to hot water and cold water, which gives you the ability to wash any kind of residue that may build up down here. Every RV is different in where they put the valves for the black water and your gray tank. That's where all your shower and your sink water goes. But you always want to dump the black water first, and then you want to pull your gray water tank. And you want to do the black first, so any kind of solid waste that may get inside of this tube will get washed away with the gray water. Also, this is what a baby banana spider looks like. He's just chilling out and catching all the bugs for me. So inside the RV, there's a little monitor that tells you how full or empty your tanks are. Sorry, so we just dumped it, but guess what? If you go to press it, it says that it's 2/3 full, which it's not. The black always says that it's full, and it's unreliable because it has a bunch of junk just sitting all over it. The only one I really trust is the fresh water, because yeah, look, fresh water is empty. I just emptied it out. Battery, this one's an interesting one, the battery, and the LP. I would trust the LP one. So if you're looking to keep your black tank and your gray tank clean, to clean the sensors, I highly recommend these commando packs. I've been personally using them for years, and they will absolutely get the job done. It's just a simple little package like this, and you drop it just like that. Once you've dropped one of these commando packs down in there, you can go ahead and fill that black tank sewer flush up with water. Drive your RV down the road, go down the highway, and just have that thing sloshing all around so it cleans off the sensor, and that'll take care of your problem. And so the way to get it down into the gray tank is simply by sticking that right there and letting the water run. You can see already, I didn't even have it in there for very long, and it literally dissolves that fast. And so now this commando pack has been put inside of the gray water tank, and it's going to clean off those sensors. Now if you wanted to just let that run, it may take like an hour, maybe 2 hours to just completely fill up the gray tank. And you don't even need it to be totally full. You can just get it halfway and then just drive down the road and have that thing sloshing all over. So that's the difference between the black water sewer tank, the potable water, and the city water. If you're new to RVing, I highly recommend that you get these commando packs, because in that black tank it will eat up any kind of solid waste that's down there. So if you want a bag of these commando packs, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Alright guys, so with that being said, thank you so much for watching Fix It Rick. I hope this was really helpful for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you found that this was helpful. And I always want you to remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problems.